M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So the ICOM ID-52 will be available in the UK to purchase very early December. So I thought we'd have a quick look at the pamphlets again. I've done this before. So it's VHF, UHF, airband, it says here, SD card, GPS, Bluetooth, color display, photograph sending, good satellite images here, a lovely D-Star dual band radio with uniquely, and it is the only radio that does it, simultaneous receive with audio on the A and the B band. Let's flick over to the YAESU FT5. Now this is a smaller radio. I've used this radio. It's an excellent radio. I'm very happy with it. The sound audio is very good. The scope, yeah, it's not great, but it's okay. And then this monitor where you can actually monitor it's either 4 or 5 bands at the same time just by touching the screen is pretty good, and you can see the graph going up and down. Again, it's got GPS, Bluetooth, SD card. It's a lovely radio. The thing is, when you're receiving two digital, let's say YSF or fusion signals, you only hear one at a time. You can see the information and the signal meter goes up and down, but you only actually hear one at a time. That's a key difference between the 52 and the FT5. These LEDs are nice and the styling's nice. And if you want a smaller radio, then that's, go for the FT5, because other than that, these work great. And the other thing about the FT5, it's full APRS. So what's APRS? Automatic packet reporting system. Or the 52 has got DPRS. So what is DPRS? So was developed to convert ICOM GPS information generated by ICOM D-Star radios in GPS mode into TNC2 formatted APRS strings. In other words, it's more of a conversion. So you've got APRS, which we've all probably used, and we've got things like APRS Droid, sends all our position out to APRS FI and messages and things. Well, DPRS, as far as I can see, is more converting that. It's converting that so it can be seen on APRS FI. So anyway, yeah, very hard choice to make. I've decided to just get them both. They're fantastic radios. I've got some more imagery here. And yeah, I just think you'll be very pleased with either radio. The main key thing for me is that really, I would say, is the size. See this image here, you can see that the broadcast radio, it makes the FT5 look like triple band. And I suppose because the 52 does have broadcast radio as well, and it has that nice scope. Are there any images on here for the scope? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, you can have a black and white screen if you want. Is it showing the scope here? No, it's not showing the scope. Let's see if I can just quickly find that. So ID-52 scope. See if we get some images on here. For some reason my keypad is being a bit annoying. Right, there you go. Scope. Some of these videos are mine, but you can see the scope here. So it's a nice looking scope. It's nothing like the 705, but it's a nice looking scope. So anyway, so I hope you decide to choose the one that you're happy with. Price wise, you're looking at, there's quite a big price difference. £520 for the 52, and the FT5 you'll get a deal for under £400. So pound for pound, I would say FT5 is a good deal. But the thing about the 52, you get that dual D-Star, and that is like almost like having two D-Star radios in one package. No other D-Star radio does that. So, that's definitely got to be taken into account. They both have USB leads going into them. On the FT5, you'll be doing YAESU PDN mode. On the 52, you'll be doing terminal mode, access mode, and it works great on Doozy. So Doozy is a free program where you connect the 52 and go onto all the reflectors without using a hotspot. So definitely check that one out. See if I can again search that. Doozy, let's put that in. It's by PA7LIM. There it is. So check that out. I've done lots of videos setting this up, but the instructions are very clear. It works on the 705, and it definitely works on the 52 as well. So 7.3. Hope you find this interesting. Please like and subscribe my channel. All the best.